Guys, welcome back to my Cricut Design Space tutorials. This is lesson number 8, isolation. Okay, so let's click on new project. And first what we're going to do is we're going to go to text, go to system, and we're going to choose a font. It doesn't matter which one it is. We're going to type in a word. Any word is fine. We're just going to enlarge it a little bit so we can see what it looks like. Highlight everything. Go to Actions. Scroll all the way to the right and click on Isolate. Okay, now what you have done is you have isolated every single letter. So we could do this with a combination of other commands, and we can create some pretty crazy stuff. Let's see here. So we go to Action and we go to Weld. Now we have one unique piece of text that is interlocked. So when you go to cut it, it's all cut together. Now another thing you can do with this text is you can duplicate it, change the color, blue or whatever, just zooming in a little bit, align it like this, and now you have a text with shadow behind it. Highlight both of them, go to Actions and go to Slice, and just remove the black and highlight the blue. Go to Weld and change the color again to a light color. Always keep the background black. And now you have a shadow when you make something. It's a little difficult to align, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be cut on two different mats, and when you put this on a shirt, let's say you do heat transfer vinyl, one of the letters is going to be on the black vinyl and the other letters are going to be on the blue vinyl. You could choose any colors that you'd like I know that any bright color looks pretty cool because it pops a little bit more, so if you use that, it'll really pop. Or you can use like this color right here. Also, another cool little trick is using two neon colors, but one that is light, and then using a darker neon color in the back like this purple, and it makes it look more modern, and that'd be like a really cool design for a shirt. Also, if you like the way that looks and you have it aligned just right, let me see if I could align it. It's a little difficult to align. Alright, so let's say you have it aligned, right? What you can do is you can go to Settings, take off the grid, and then take a screenshot. And then you have it as a screenshot. and then you can crop that thing. You could put the grid back on if you'd like. So that's basically it. In order to use the isolate button, you have to use the text. So it gives you a little bit more of options when you're using text, especially sometimes when you use handwriting. I noticed that when you type something with handwriting text, it seems to be spaced out a little bit too much, so it doesn't look like authentic handwriting. So what this does is you can get a handwriting, and let's just put an easy word like dream. You see how it's all spaced out really bad? Well, you can go to actions, isolate, maybe put this a little bit closer, use the tool to align them to the bottom, and then distribute them evenly. I don't know if this would work. See, that looks a lot better right there because they're kind of touching. And then you could always go to actions and weld them together so it's just one nice little thing, and when you go to make it, it looks a lot nicer. So hopefully you learned something from that. The isolate button, it's very useful with the combination of other commands. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to do at least 3 lessons a week, and this course can go up to 30 lessons or more because there's so much to learn on this app